This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse in a great location. Food down the road just at the quarry and easy access to public transport and the freeway. I absolutely love the open plan nature of the ground floor. It's great living. If you've got any more questions, give me, Brian, a call at Semple Property Group.